Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making these very amazing sandwiches which are very easy to prepare and they turn out amazing and they are perfect for your evening tea or finger food for your party. So let's make together chicken club sandwiches. For that, in a large bowl, take 500 grams or 1 pound boneless chicken. To that, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, some 1.5 tablespoon of chicken tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon of lemon and green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any oil. Now we're gonna mix everything well. Then we're gonna cover it and marinate it for an hour or up to overnight for best results. Now we're gonna prepare coleslaw. For that, in a large bowl, add half a cup of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix everything well. Now we're gonna add 1 bag of coleslaw mix. If you don't have coleslaw mix, you can have some cabbage and some shredded carrots. And now we're gonna mix everything well. And our coleslaw is ready. Now we're gonna cover it and set it aside for later. Now we're gonna take a cast iron, or you can take any pan, and you can and once it's hot, we're gonna put our pre-marinated chicken. And we're gonna cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes, flipping in between. And in between, you can add some fresh green coriander and mix it well. And you can see the chicken is almost there. And our chicken is ready. So let's go ahead and assemble our sandwiches. So now I'm taking a toasted bread, and on that I'm spreading some mayonnaise. After that, I have prepared some omelette. I have some egg on it. Now I'm adding some pre-sliced cucumbers, some sliced tomatoes, now I'm gonna add another slice of bread with mayonnaise on the bottom, and now I'm putting my prepared coleslaw on it. You can assemble it however you want, and on top of coleslaw I'm adding my chicken, some lettuce, and now another slice of bread with mayonnaise at the bottom. And now we're gonna slice it, and I'm gonna add some toothpicks in it just so it can hold up together. And you can assemble it however you want. I did it as I felt like doing. And our chicken club sandwiches are ready. You can see all those colors, all those layers. They were absolutely amazing, and they're perfect with a cup of tea, or if you're having a house party or any party, you can always enjoy them with your guests, and I'm sure they're gonna love it. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.